namin for today is Toyota Commemorative Museum. Tapos after nun, kung may time pa, siguro sa hapon, punta tayo sa Electricity Museum. So, ngayon on the way to train, sasakay pabalik ng Saco Station. Tara! So here, nandito na kami sa Saco Station and exit Southgate sabi ni Google Maps. So ito says 190 meters papuntang Toyota Commemorative Museum. So mga 3-minute walk according to Google. Here. And pag nakita mo yung red brick building, so it's called the Brick Age, sabi niya. So yung restaurant, may restaurant siya dyan, to the left. And namin natin yung entrance sa I think dito ba?
Tama ng card ko.
So, dito ka bibili ng ticket. 1,000 yen per adult. So, pag children naman, discounted siya. So, yan. Follow the instructions sa mga bawal. Ito yung admission ticket. Okay. Meron yatang ticket counter. So, kailangan mong kumuha for entry. So, kasi by batch yung entry nila para hindi overcrowded. Bali, hindi pala mali. So, yung Technoland is this pala. For entrance for kids, later, pasok tayo balik tayo, nakaschedule tayo for 11:15 for entrance there. Here, different types of ano ba to? Machine nila for making textile. Oh, sayang. So here, dito na kami sa Technoland. So it's scheduled time na namin. This is what you see inside. Yan. Technically pang laro ng bata. Here, merong height restriction. So 120 cm bago pwede kang sumakay.
First, a wind speed of 5 meters per second. Try many different shapes. Your resistance force is on the front panel. Meters per second. If the wind feels too strong, move to the lower safety.
Nakabantay si Toyota. Ayan, overview yan. Diyan tayo pupunta pababa. Oh. Daming cars. Ah! So, ayan. Pagka hili ka sa cars, make sure to check this out, ah. Enjoy ka dito. Daming learnings. Sa nagsimula ang Toyota. So, yung logos niya. Saan galing.
Now, let's enjoy the fast number Toyota Good Friend song.
After natin doon sa Toyota commemorative, dito na kami ngayon going to Electricity Museum. But wala siya doon. Sabi exit 1. Canon Coffee. We're here in Electricity Museum pero bawal ang drinks sa loob, so hindi na muna kami bibili. Let's go up, sabi niya. After namin kumain dinner, ito, it's about 7:45 na, and check kami ng Daiso. Ito, dito sa Mirai Tower. So, ayan. Then, on this other side, is another tourist attraction. Ayun. Bisaya Odori Park. Ano yan? Yan, Mirai Tower. Nice, diba? Oh, take photo ops nyo dito bago mag-Daiso. Hello guys. It's 10 a.m. and we're going to Nagoya Science Museum. So 9:30 bukas niya. Medyo nalitan kami ng konti ngayon lumabas, pero ayan na, we're heading there. Makulimlim, chilly weather, buti na lang di ganun kainit. So, ano bang weather for right now? So, the weather ngayon is, let's check ha. Bali, ito, it's 750 meters from yung Hotel Forza. So, ayan. Ngayon, it's 23 degrees. Medyo chilly-chilly lang. Hindi mainit. So, lakad na lang tayo papunta doon. Hindi na kailangan sumakay. Tipid na. Let's go! Here yung Shirakawa Park. So, madadaanan bago makarating sa Goya Museum. And ayan, may mga palaruan kung nakikita nyo nandun sa may bandang dulo. Tuloy lang sa lakad. So, on your left yung Nagoya Science Museum and yung mga students nakapila. So, hopefully hindi crowded and hindi matagal ang pila. Ito na. Pila na tayo tickets. So, ito na ang line. Nice. Let's go. So, ito yung observatory. So, baba muna kami sa 6th floor. Maya, balik tayo 11:20 sa planetarium. So, mga 11. Akit na kami. So, ngayon, punta tayo dito yung 5th floor na. So, nakalagay sa labas, Our Universe. So, it's learning about planets and solar space. Yun yan.